or the mandatory charity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as I mentioned in the second episode, normally joined as-salah and az-zakah together whenever He said, وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ, and offer the prayers, establish the salah, and give the zakah. And az-zakah is a very interesting act of worship, because it does not only benefit the person who's given or doing the act of worship, rather it benefits the poor people, the needy ones. So it guarantees a welfare for the whole community. It makes people care about each other. It makes people love each other. Allah the Almighty prescribed a very small percentage on one's saving or investment to be given to the poor. We help ourselves. We help the poor from amongst ourselves, and we help